Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to archive boards in Monday.com. Archiving boards is a great way to declutter your workspace without permanently deleting projects you might need to reference later. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start with the archiving process. First, open the board you want to archive. This could be a completed project, an old campaign, or any board that's no longer actively used but you want to keep for records. Once you have the board open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon there. Click on it to reveal additional board options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Archive Board. This action will remove the board from your main workspace view, keeping things clean and organized. The board won't be deleted, it's simply moved to a separate archived section where it can be retrieved whenever you need it. You might notice a brief loading moment as Monday.com processes this change and updates your workspace. Now, what if you need to access or restore an archived board? The process is just as straightforward. Click on your profile picture, which is located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open your account menu with several options available. From this menu, select Archive. This takes you to a dedicated section where all your archived boards are stored. Here you'll see a complete list of every board you've archived, making it easy to locate specific projects or references from the past. Once you're viewing the archived boards list, locate the specific board you want to restore. On the far right column of each board entry, you'll see a three-dot button. Click on this button for the board you wish to bring back to your active workspace. From the options that appear, select Restore. This will move the board back into your main workspace, making it fully accessible again with all its data, updates, and history intact. Give it a moment to process and you'll see the board reappear in your regular boards list. And that's it. You now know how to archive boards to keep your Monday.com workspace organized and how to restore them whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.